I know that there is a dream in you. Even as the year comes to an end, you feel so uncomfortable because you know what God has put inside of you. You know exactly the things that you are supposed to do. But you know what? You are not doing those things. Why? Because the people around you don't believe in you. Let me tell you something. There is no way your parents are going to believe in you. There is no way your siblings are going to believe in you. There is no way your family is going to believe in you. Your classmates, your neighbors, the people in your community, they will not believe in you. Why? Because they have not seen any results. Think about it. When a woman is pregnant, within the first few months, nobody knows that that woman is pregnant. People will only know when the baby starts growing. So in a season when nobody believes your dream, it is very uncomfortable. Naturally, many people are motivated when they are being applauded. But in that season, nobody applauds you. Nobody even knows what you carry. So people are even against you. They keep telling you, are you sure about what you're saying? Are you even sure that this is possible? When I stepped on the online space, I didn't see anybody in my environment that I could even copy. So nobody around me even understood what I was doing. I myself used to disbelieve myself because I didn't know it was possible. I put in so much work, but I was not seeing any results. It is normal for one to give up. The only thing that will keep you going in situations like that is when you have heard clearly, when you feel so uncomfortable in your spirit and you feel like this is exactly what I'm supposed to be doing. That is when you are going to be able to keep going. Because the truth is, the reality doesn't seem as if any progress is being made. Maybe you've been trying on the online space for a long period of time now, and it seems as if nothing is happening. Overcomer, I want you to know that when a child is growing in the womb, those first months, right, you don't see any results. It seems as if nothing is happening, but that baby is growing. In a period when nobody is seeing that baby, you are not going to get any support from anyone. But guess what? When you start seeing the results, those same people who disbelieve you, look at what will happen. They will come to you and say, I have always believed in you. I have always prayed for you. I had always known that this child will become something great. In those days when you needed them to speak those words to you, they always told you that nothing good can come out of you. Nothing good can come out of this your business that you are doing. Nothing good can come out of this your idea. So the truth is, you don't need to wait for any validation. You don't need to wait for any support. You are supposed to push yourself, and when you start getting the results, you will see everybody will start applauding you. But from this beginning, maybe you are wanting to create video on the online space. You post your first video, no likes, no views, and you start to get discouraged. Overcomers, you cannot. Maybe you want to start a business. You create your Facebook, you open your Etsy shop, you start that business. There is no validation. There is no support. You are not seeing any results, and you start to get discouraged. So I've been writing a book. It's called A Fresh Start. I'm sharing my own life journey, how I didn't give up on myself and how I was able to start from F2, but now I've been able to build a life of financial freedom on the online space. So just watch out for that book. It's going to be released soon. I've been working on that book. I know that it's going to be a life-transforming book. How will people applaud you when they have not seen the results? The truth is, many people around you are going to see what is happening around you. They are going to see their physical environment. They are going to see the bees. They are going to see the struggles. They are going to see it with their physical limitation. And what will happen? They will discourage you. But you need to see the financial freedom that is ahead of you. You need to see the legacy that you are building. And when you start focusing on that, it doesn't matter what the people tell you around you. It doesn't matter what the pain you are going through. And when you start focusing on that, you will not even feel that pain. Just imagine a woman who is in labor. This woman has carried this baby for all these months, right? And when it's time to give birth, it is so painful. There are some contractions, right? So now maybe you are going through some painful moment and you feel like almost giving up. Overcomer, it is normal. During that time, it is almost like you should give up. But that is exactly when you are about to birth the baby. Most people give up when it's almost their time for their breakthrough. If you are watching this video today, I just want to encourage you that it is almost time for you that you should keep building in silence. You should remain disciplined and focused. You should keep building in the night when no one sees you. You should keep pushing yourself even when nobody encourages you. You should keep encouraging yourself because you know where you are going. You know exactly what you have heard from the Lord. You know that there is financial breakthrough at the end. I want you to know that you are carrying a destiny in you. And it is time to birth that baby. And before you birth a baby, guess what? There is going to be some stretch. You need to stretch yourself. It's not pleasurable. But at the end of it, then that's when the pleasure is going to come. That's when the enjoyment, the laughter, the applause, when people see the results. When I started on the online space, nobody believed what I was doing. There is no way anybody will believe you, right? But when people started seeing the results, they started seeing the money, that is when people started believing me. People now started coming to me and asking, how did you do it? But when I was struggling and crying and struggling in the night, trying to figure it out, at that moment, all I got was discouragement. It was discouragement, right? But when you have struggled in that moment of silence, you have bailed it on your own, you have struggled, and when the results are here, then people will begin to applaud you. People will begin to identify with you. Overcomer, why am I sharing this? I want you to know that you carry a destiny in you. Don't give up when it is not the season for you to give up. And you can either push through or you give up. And imagine you giving up on what is supposed to be that breakthrough that you are going to get. Anybody that you see today progressing, that person had a moment of silence. They had a moment of crying when nobody believed in them. If you look at the founder of Alibaba, this guy, he applied for medical school, I don't remember how many times, about 10 times, and he got disqualified. You can go ahead and Google up his story. Just read about him and see the challenges he went through. He started with his ideas when there were no credit cards in China. But look at what this man has created because he believed in himself. No one believed in him. But because he stood, he kept going. Now he has impacted so many and he has changed so many lives because he stood when nobody believed in him. The internet nowadays is a place where anybody can start. The internet has made the world a global village. It doesn't matter where you are watching me from. It can be in any country. So long as you don't give up on yourself, you are going to create the life that God has spoken into you. So overcomers, I want you to know that at this point, you might be feeling alone. You might be feeling discouraged. You might be feeling unhappy. You might not even know the direction. You might be thinking that you have been forgotten. I want you to know that you are being formed. Those late night hours when you are struggling on your own, it's something that you are building. And when you build in the silence, and when you build in the sacred, the results will always come out. And when the results come out, everybody is going to celebrate with you. So I want to encourage you to not give up on yourself. In this difficult moment of your life, I want you to know that it is one of the most important moments. Because as you build, now the results will come out and everyone will celebrate with you. But if you give up at this time, when you give up on your dream, you will not be able to give yourself the chance to see the results that you are able to create by God's grace. So I wish you all the best on your journey. I want you to go ahead and put in the comment section that I'm not giving up on myself. And then go ahead and watch this next video that YouTube is recommending to you. I'm going to see you in that video. Love you all so much.